Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix packet burst loss issue or packet burst issue in Black Ops 7. So without wasting any time, here follow the fixes. The first fix is to transfer or reinstall the game on faster SSD. One of the user in Steam community has suggested that I have just installed the game on faster SSD and the problem was solved. So you can try this and see if this works for you or not. Fix 2 is to set on-demand texture streaming to minimal. So launch Black Ops 7 and go to the graphic tabs in the settings and then select quality tab. So launch the game and then go to the settings and then go to graphic settings and then click on this quality tab and then on-demand texture streaming, set it to minimal, and then you can check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 3 is to disable dismemberment and gore effects. So again go to Black Ops 7 in-game settings, go to account and network and then look for this dismemberment and gore effect and turn it off. If it is turned on, then turn it off. And then go ahead, launch the game and check if a problem is solved or not. Now fix 4 is to restart shaders preloading. So again launch Black Ops 7, go to the in-game settings, enter the graphics tab, then click restart shaders preloading and then restart your game. So go to the graphic settings and in the display tab you can see here restart shader preloading. So just click on this restart shaders preloading and then just restart your game and then check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 5 is to change the internet packet priority. So go to device manager by right click on the Windows icon, go to this device manager and then expand the network adapters. Right click the Realtek gaming controller and then click on properties. Then go to the advanced tab and then select priority and VLAN property. Then select priority and VLAN enabled and then click OK. Now relaunch the game and check if your problem is fixed or not. Fix 6 is to restart your PC or console. So simply turn off your PC or console in whichever you are playing the game. Wait for a few seconds, turn on your PC or consoles. Then launch Black Ops 7 and see if the problem is fixed or not. Fix 7 is to restart your internet. So unplug your router or modem, wait for a few seconds, plug in back all the wires and then launch the game and check. Now here is the tip. If you are on Wi-Fi and you have an Ethernet cable option, then try to plug in with the Ethernet cable and then launch the game and check if your problem is solved or not. Fix 8 is to turn off crossplay. So if you are on Xbox console, go to settings, account, privacy and online safety, Xbox privacy, view details and customize, communication and multiplayer, and then turn off. You can join cross network play. And if you are on PS5 or PS4 console, then go to the Black Ops 7 settings, account and network. In the online tab, turn off crossplay. So these are some of the fixes that you can try to fix packet burst issue in Call of Duty Black Ops 7 game. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.